Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Regina Odera, your favorite interior solutions provider at Kakadot. Today, well, I'm sorry for firstly, I'm very sorry for not having to provide you content here because I always wanted to do the weekly YouTube, share a fact, share something nice, share something beneficial to you about interior design and then lifestyle. Yeah. So today we're back. And today I'll be briefly talking about food and interior design. Have you ever had brunch, lunch, or dinner at a certain restaurant, and probably that was your first time of going there, and you just find yourself over time repeatedly going back there with friends and family members or even colleagues at work? Trust me, it's not just the food that's bringing you back. We have the ambience of the place that you're probably aware of at first, or you're not aware of at first, and then we're like literally living in the digital era where there's social media and there's a lot of selfie game going on these days. Yes, selfie game. Yeah, so selfie game going on these days. And then when it comes to the ambience, which you have observed in the
Yes, the ambience of the space. This is easily connected to the aesthetics of the space, which is usually very pleasing to you as you walk into the space. This is done by a very good interior designer who has a great concept for spaces.
So concept is very important, whether it's a residential project or a commercial project, such as the restaurant. And we also have to consider how you can draw your concepts. When it comes to that, I always believe in the idea of getting concept from almost anything and everywhere. I always love to meet up with my clients, stand in this space and visualize this space, find out what the main purpose of the space is, what kind of clientele is my clients looking to attract to that space. And then colors. Colors are, I think I've talked about this before, and it's very, very important to have a very certain and very beautiful color palette that you can work with in any project. Bearing in mind that the concept still is the soul of the project. And with this same concept, you would also be able to determine the kind of lighting fittings you would also want to have in the space, positioning and taking advantage of the ventilation, and then the decor. That's like the final sparkle to the space. And then it also help with figuring out the theme of music that you would be playing in that space while your customers will be relaxed and ready to have their meal served to them. A good design is always efficient and effective in fulfilling its purpose in any space, be it commercial or residential. As I said earlier, a good design is a very simple solution to solving a space problem. If you liked this content and you want to see more of these kinds of content, I would really like you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments below if you have any questions, and please do follow the team at Kakadot. You can follow me as well on Instagram at Regina Odera, and like our pages on Facebook, and then you can also visit the website above. And see you next time.